Are you sending enough push notifications to maximize user retention? The chances are you're not. Being too concerned about driving users away with push notifications may mean you are missing out on a huge opportunity to engage and retain more users. For many apps, chances are that a user won't return after their first session. Therefore, the first few days are your big chance to help the user build a habit around your app. So you should pull out all the stops to convince them to stick around. So, not sending push notifications highlighting the app's value in those first days has a huge opportunity cost. A carefully crafted set of notifications is unlikely to turn users away. As most of your new users will churn anyway, you have very little to lose by testing new notification strategies on new users. The right set of notifications can increase the number of users who stick around. Want to get notifications right? Here are 5 tips for designing and building a great push notification strategy. Step 1. Give people control. Notification control shouldn't be just about opting in or out. Give people options for the kind of push notifications they want and when they want to receive them. Allowing people to set their own goals makes them more likely to buy into receiving notifications. Drive opt-in at global level by telling users why notifications are helpful and asking them to turn them on. Ensure users have the option to change their granular settings later. Step 2. Be relevant. Personalization is key. Customize notification content using the insights you have from the user. Think about sharing recommendations based on users' tastes, behaviors, and social interactions, being timely and delivering messages when the user is most likely to be engaged, delivering localized notifications, using external triggers and events like local weather. Step 3. Filter the fire hose. As you build triggers to customize your notifications, you may end up with a fire hose of events that generates huge numbers of notifications. If you do, filter and carefully rank them to match relevant events to specific users. Also, don't just cap the number of notifications per user. Personalize the frequency cap so you send more to people who engage with notifications while putting those who do not engage into a quieter track. Step 4. Win back people who opted out. Users may opt out from push notifications during onboarding. However, there might be an opportunity to get them to opt in when they've engaged and see the app's value. An effective campaign to increase the opt-in rate for active users is to prompt them to update their phone's notification settings. Step 5. Let data lead the discussion. Analyze your retention, conversion, and opt-out data. Run tests to find out how effective reactivation efforts are and explore notification performance. This analysis and testing can give you insights into when to intervene to re-engage a user, how often you should try to reactivate the user, which type of notifications are performing better, which notifications should be prioritized, and more. Look at more than whether a user opens a notification. That metric is a useful signal, but you'll also want to know if they're sticking around longer or engaging with key features and actions in your app or game. A successful notification strategy is about balance, sending just the right number of notifications to optimize your engagement and retention. On your journey to finding this balance, remember to give people control, be relevant, filter the fire hose, win back people who opted out, let data lead the discussion. If you want to dive deeper into app growth, check out the links in the video description. Stay tuned for our next video, and let's grow together.